This is how you're going to see your properties from Booking.com. So you need to access your partner portal, the extranet, first in order for you to see or to view all of your properties. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on Booking.com partner login page, usually found by searching Booking.com extranet login, or you can just type in the same address that I have here. And then from there, you're just going to make sure that you sign in with your email and password. And then once you're logged in, you will be able to see this dashboard right here. And then from there, you're just going to click on your profile right here at the top right corner of your screen. Going to click on that, and then you're just going to click on view my properties from the drop down menu. Now from here, you will be able to see all of the properties that you have, and then this is also where you can add a new property. So you can see here, I have a property listed as Talki from Philippines. I have my registration progress right here, so you can see it is not yet finished. And then this is where you can also delete your properties. Now if you want to add a new property, you can just do so by clicking on here, and then that's it. You also have here your different stats that if you want to access them, and that is how you're going to see your properties on Booking.com. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.